Vertical lines flickering on your Vizio TV screen can turn a relaxing moment into a tech headache. This issue is more common than you might think, and the fix is often easier than expected. In this video, I will show you how to get your screen back to normal. Let's start with the basics, because sometimes the simplest steps can fix the problem. First, power cycle your Vizio TV. Turn it off and unplug it from the wall. Then, find the power button on the TV itself, not the remote, and hold it down for about 15 to 30 seconds. This helps drain any leftover power inside the TV. After that, wait at least 5 minutes before plugging it back in and turning it on again. This process can reset some of the internal components and clear out temporary issues that might be causing the vertical lines. If the lines are still there, the next thing to check is your HDMI and other cable connections. Go to the back of your TV and unplug all the HDMI cables. Look closely at both the cables and the ports. See if there's any damage or signs of rust. Try plugging the cables into different ports or use a different HDMI cable if you have one. A loose or damaged cable can easily cause display issues like vertical lines. You can also use a can of compressed air to gently clean out the HDMI ports before plugging everything back in. Another thing you should check is whether your TV has the latest firmware installed. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Then press the menu button, go to System and select Check for Updates. If there's an update available, just follow the prompts to install it. Some users have said that updating the firmware helped clear up display issues, so it's worth doing. If that didn't help, there's a simple physical adjustment you can try. Turn the TV off and place a soft cloth over the screen to protect it. Then, using the palm of your hand, gently tap the back of the TV, especially around the areas where you see the lines. The idea is to help any loose internal connections settle back into place without opening up the TV. Do it gently but firmly and make sure the TV is secure so it doesn't tip over. You can also try adjusting the picture settings. Open the menu on your TV, go to Picture, and lower things like backlight, brightness, and contrast. In some cases, reducing these settings has helped the lines either fade or disappear entirely. If none of that works, try switching between different input sources. Use your remote to move from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2, or try AV if you have it. The goal is to see if the vertical lines appear on every input. If they only show up on one source, the problem could be with the device you're using, not the TV itself. If the lines are still showing, the next step is to factory reset your TV. There are two ways to do this. The first way is by using the buttons on the TV itself. While the TV is on, press and hold the volume down and input buttons at the same time. Keep holding until you see a message on the screen telling you how to complete the reset. Just follow the instructions shown and the TV will reset itself. The second way is through the on-screen menu. Press the Menu button on your remote, then go to System, choose Reset and Admin, and select Reset TV to Factory Defaults. If it asks for a code, the default is usually 000. Keep in mind, doing this will erase all your apps and settings, so you'll have to set everything up again like it was brand new. That's it for this video on how to fix vertical lines on your Vizio TV screen. I hope these step-by-step methods helped you get things back to normal without needing to open up your TV. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Got any questions, or did one of these steps work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd really like to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.